I'm Lily from Hastings, and today we're going to show you how to make sours. With sours you can use a lot of alcohol, so it's probably the best one to be making at home. So you can use vodka, Disaronno for an amaretto sour, brandy, gin, or whiskey, which is the most common sour. You can also use pisco if you've got that at home, but I doubt it. Right, so the first thing we need to do is to dry shake an egg. So we've just tested this out, and you can, in a jam jar, just with the egg white, shake it for about 5 minutes and you get a decent foam, so you can see. Because otherwise you can use a whisk, or if you are a protein bro, you can use your protein spring, for example, with this. So for now, for our purposes, we're going to take the spring off, whatever that's called, and put it into our shaker. Then you just want to crack an egg and only get the egg white in. So there we go, that's just egg white. You then want to close it and give it a dry shake. So we're doing a whiskey sour today. So the other ingredients we need to add after the dry shaken egg are 50 millilitres of whiskey. Make sure it's bourbon and not scotch because it's going to be disgusting. Then you want about 35 ml, of lemon juice, and then about 25 or just below of sugar syrup, and then you want to put ice in. So with your ice in the shaker as well, with all the ingredients, you just want to give it a decent shake. So once that's all shaken up, you want to just pour it into your glass. And if you have Angostura at home, it kind of adds a little certain je ne sais quoi, and then just put a couple of drops across the top, and there you have a whiskey sour. So another substitute you can use instead of egg whites, if you don't have them, or if you're a vegan perhaps, is to use chickpea juice, which is also known as aquafaba. We don't currently have chickpea juice, so we're about to try it with lentil juice, so let's give it a go. It's the same as before with the dry shake. It kind of worked. So let's try and make a cocktail with this. So this time we will try doing a brandy sour. So we want, again, 50 ml of the brandy. Then you want 25 plus of the lemon juice, and then a kind of dash and a bit, maybe almost 25 ml of sugar syrup. We want our ice, and a bit of shake. You might want to take the time after shaking to find a glass. And also fill it with ice. So let's see if this has actually worked. I'm actually reasonably surprised with that. And then we're going with the Angostura bitters again. And let's see if that actually shakes okay. It kind of works. It genuinely kind of works. There we go.